In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new team members to your Gumroad store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So just go to this left sidebar menu and scroll down until you see settings. If you click here, you will see the option of team. So right here, you could add as many team members as you want. You just need to put their email right here and then select the role that this person will have. So depending on the role you choose, it will assign specific permissions for that person. And if you click this learn more option, you can scroll down and you will see the specific permissions that they will have depending on the role. So if you are interested, you can take a look right here to see what role will give the specific permission you need, and then just send the invitation and they will need to confirm it. So after you send it, you will see your new team member right here, and you can change the role whenever you want, or you can even remove the member from the team. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.